So this is the new query page. We do not, you'll notice, have a folder tree. So I know some of you are very used to using those folders. I personally don't pay attention to them myself, so I didn't miss it when I got here. If you need to find your folders, they're now right here. Categories, you can switch to general or data cleanup or whatever your categories are. They're right there. And there's also these cool filters and search functions where you can search by name or by date up here, which is super useful. So I think this is going to be helpful for finding queries. Love that. There are some new options on this screen that I want to make sure everybody knows about because they're cool. So, oh, this one is something I don't have access to edit. So when you click on this little menu, you get edit or edit in new tab. I'm going to plug always use edit in new tab, right? Because if you just choose edit, it's going to take over this screen and you'll lose access to all of this stuff and everything, right? So typically when you're opening something, I would do edit in new tab. That is the way you can open multiple things in Razor's Edge WebView, right? We used to have 3 constituents open so you could put them side by side. Now you have to open them in 3 new tabs and then put those tiles side by side. So that's how you do it now. So edit in new tab is there. Export, you can do that from here, which is cool. We're going to talk more about exporting from query later, but you can export it without having to stop your work. So I can click this export button and it will export in the background and tell me when it's done, which is super cool. So I don't have to sit here and wait for it to export. And the other fun thing that exists here is add to favorites. So you can add to your favorite queries that live on the homepage, and they also will star it over here, and that's one of your filters. So that's what's right here.